Quickly, Topsy! I'm coming as fast as I can. Here comes another drip, Tim. Quick! Put the ball under it. We've got a hole in our roof, and the rain is dripping through our bedroom ceiling. Onto our bunk bed. Got you!
Well done, Tim. OK, leave the bowl up there and come down with me. Ready? Come on, Tim. 1, 2, 3. Way! There we go. You too, Topsy. Lovely. 1, 2,
3, way!
Thank you. Now, can you two please help me take off these pillowcases?
Okay. Why is there a hole in our roof, Mummy?
Well, Dad thinks the tile's come loose, so he's coming home to fix it.
I'll help him.
Oh, he'd like that.
Where am I going to sleep tonight, Mummy?
Up here on the top bunk as usual, Topsy. Dad will fix the roof and I will wash and dry your sheets. Oh, and little Moon Bunny, of course.
Little Moon Bunny. Little Moon Bunny's my favourite cuddly toy of all. And now he's all wet. Will you help me dry Little Moon Bunny, please, Mummy?
No, Topsy. I think we need to wash little Moon Bunny.
Why?
Well, water that comes through the roof can be dirty. Please, will you help me put him in the washing machine?
Yes, you can have a nice ride.
Come on. After you. Good girl.
So Little Moon Bunny's having his wash. Hello, Little Moon Bunny. When the doorbell rings.
Oh, Topsy, should we get the door?
I'm staying here with Little Moon Bunny. Hello, Joy. Is it Dad at the door?
Come on in. No, Tim, it's Kerry. Come on.
Hello, Tim. Kerry's our best friend. She lives 3 houses away. Her mummy's dropping her off for a play date. Yay, Kerry! Come on up and see the raindrops coming in. Bye, lovely. Bye. Where are you, Tim? I'm up here on the top bunk. Hi, Tim. Hi, Kerry. Wow, is that rain coming through your ceiling? Yeah, I'm catching the raindrops so Topsy's bunk bed doesn't get any wetter. Here comes another one. I'm ready for it. Got you. Where's Topsy? She's downstairs. Little Moon Bunny is in the washing machine. He got rained on and now he's wet. Okay, then I'll go and see her. Okay. Hi, Kerry. Is this Moon Bunny okay? Yes, I hope so. Mummy! The washing machine's finished. Please, can you get Little Moon Bunny out?
Yes, of course.
Quickly.
Oh, poor soggy little Moon Bunny.
You look so funny. He smells nice and clean, Topsy, though. Yes, he really does. Come on, Kerry. Let's put Little Moon Bunny on the windowsill to dry. Okay. Let's put him here, Kerry. Okay. It's Dad. He's here.
Hello, gang! Oh. What a lot of rain! Hello. Mwah. Where's this leak then?
Hi, Dad. Come upstairs and I'll show you.
Come in, Tim! Oh.
Look, rainwater was dripping into this bowl. I put it there myself.
Ah, well done, Tim. Now, let's have a look out here.
Can you see it, Dad? Can you see the hole in our roof?
I can't see anything.
Why?
Because I need to go high up to the roof from outside. We need a long ladder.
But we haven't got a long ladder.
No, but we know a man who does.
Dad phones Kerry's dad, Carson. Carson is a fireman. He works at Hatcham Fire Station. Look, it's Carson and his long ladder. It's a really long ladder. Hi, Daddy.
Hey, Kerry. The rain stopped at last, everybody.
Yay! Carson,
Yeah.
we've got a hole in our roof and water's dripping through it. Little Moon Bunny got rained on in our bedroom.
It's just as well I came round to help.
Yeah! Carson's long ladder reaches right up to the roof of our house. And now it's raining again.
Hello in there.
Hello, Dad.
Keep an eye on those drips, Tim. Tell me if they stop, please.
Okay, Dad. Still dripping, Dad.
OK. Good news. I can see the tile that slipped.
Dad can see the tile that slipped, Carson.
Can you fix it?
Can you fix it, Dad?
I don't know. I'm just trying to reach it.
Still dripping, Dad.
OK. Just a minute.
This is taking ages. Have you fixed it now, Dad?
Yep. All done. The tile had just slipped down a bit. I put it back into place with a nail.
Look, Dad. The drips are stopping. Hooray!
Hey!
We fixed it, Carson.
Hooray!
Did I hear a cheer?
Yes, we fixed the roof, Mummy.
Hey, well done, Tim. Thank you for all of your help.
How's Little Moon Bunny, Mummy?
He's lovely and dry and cuddling with Topsy. Well done.
By bedtime, Little Moon Bunny and my bunk bed were dry, and everything was back to normal.
It's still raining outside.
Oh, I know, what a day. But you and Little Moon Bunny are warm and dry and cuddly.
But then... Mummy, Daddy! Now there's rain coming through our bathroom ceiling!
Oh, no.
There must be another hole in our roof! I know what we all should do. We all need to move to a different house.
What did you say, Topsy?
Oh, nothing. And that's when Mummy said, Would you like to move from this house to a different house?
Would you like to move from this house to a different house, Topsy?
No, I didn't really mean this about a different house, Mummy. No, this is our house.
Well, it's something to think about.
I love our house.
Good. So, let's have a proper look at this bathroom drip. Come on.
And that's it, Dad. Was that? Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. One of my cuddly toys was washed today. Can you remember which toy was washed? Was it a cuddly dog? Or was it a cuddly bunny? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is a cuddly bunny called Little Moon Bunny. Great game! That was good fun. See you soon. We can play. Derek!
Oh!
Hello, Derek!
It's you two again, Timsy and Top.
We're not Timsy and Top, we're Topsy and Tim.
Silly me, how could I forget? Topsy and Tim.
No, the other way round.
Oh, the other way round? You mean Topsy and Tim, that way round? Do you mean?
No.
That's not what you meant, was it? No. Now, I've been painting the ceiling. Can you see that? I've got it on me roller.
Water was dripping through our bedroom ceiling from the roof. Dad fixed the roof, but DIY Derek is painting over where the leak was inside. Can we help Derek? Please?
Of course you can. It's my home time, so you two can help me tidy up.
Okay.
OK, one of you hold my roller while I wipe my hands.
Me.
There you are then, Tim. You hold that. Right. Thanks, Tim. Now, I'll show you where to put it so we don't get mess everywhere, OK? Goes in
Our
there.
bedroom doesn't look like our bedroom today.
Now then, what do you think, Topsy?
Our bedroom looks funny, Derek.
Ah, yes. It's because I've covered it all in dust sheets so I don't get paint everywhere, you see? You see? Right, Tim, can you help me put the lid on the paint here? Right, push it down as hard as you can. There you go. That's good. Well done. Thank you. Right.
Tim, under here. Where? In my den.
Well done, Derek.
Oh, hi, Joy. No, I'm afraid I'm going to have to come back in the morning and give the ceiling another coat of paint.
Oh, so the twins can't sleep in here tonight then?
No, I'm going to have to leave it like this till the paint dries.
If we go and sleep in our bedroom tonight, where are we going to sleep, Topsy? I don't know, Dad.
Right, that's me. I'm done.
Oh.
See you tomorrow, Joy.
Bye. Thanks, Derek.
Mummy,
No.
if we can't sleep in our bedroom tonight, where are we going to sleep?
Well, we haven't got a spare room, so we're going to have to think about something else. But don't worry, I've got an idea.
So have I.
Oh.
We can sleep in Mummy and Dad's bed, Tim. Boing, 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 boing.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, Dad.
I saw Derek on his way out.
Did he tell you he hasn't finished painting the twins' bedroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're sleeping in your bed tonight, Dad.
Oh, no, you're not. Come out of there, please.
Oh.
Come on, you two.
Oh, you are far too big to squeeze in with us.
You snore anyway. Like this.
You cheeky monkeys.
But where are we going to sleep tonight, Dad? I know! We can sleep here in the bathroom. We're sleeping in the bath tonight, Mummy.
You comfy?
No.
Well, then you can't sleep in here tonight, can you? You need comfy beds for a good night's sleep. So tonight, we're having a special camping holiday.
Where?
You'll find out. But first, who's for an early bath?
Me! Yay!
Hey, come on
Dad tells us that our special camping holiday will be downstairs. Tonight, Topsy and I will sleep on the living room floor on blow-up camp beds.
Oh.
I think it's blown up enough now, Dad.
Oh, thanks, Tim. Oh. Blowing up beds is hard work. I'm ready for bed myself.
Dad! Dad! Wake up, Dad! There's still a Topsy's bed to do.
Okay. Almost there.
This is taking ages. Hey, Tim. Our duvets. Catch, Tim. Here come the pillows.
And the pillows.
I got Little Moon Bunny.
duvet monster, no! No, 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 get back! Get back, get back, get back! There's two of them! No! I'm being eaten! No, they're eating me up! No!
Topsy and Tim, come and brush your teeth, please.
In the kitchen?
Ah! You get to do things differently when you're on holiday. Go on, good boy. Go on, get him. Go on, get him. Ah!
And so we got ready to sleep in the living room.
Come on, twins, into bed.
Teddy. Is Mummy still going to read us our bedtime stories?
Of course you will. I'll tell her when you're ready.
Ready. Ready.
Mwah. Sleep well.
Shh, quiet. Let's pretend we're asleep. We were being quiet and pretending to be asleep when we heard Mummy say, I want us to move to a bigger house.
I want us to move to a bigger house, Bri. One with a proper spare bedroom. Not camp beds on the living room floor.
I think you're right. It's time to move house.
I like our house. I don't want to move house.
Topsy and Tim, don't worry about moving house now. It's time for stories.
Yay.
Would you like your night light?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
No more talk of a house move tonight, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Look at you two all snugly in your cosy camp beds. Oh, it's just like your bedroom now, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. It is.
Which story would you like first?
This one, please.
This one?
This one. And then this one.
Okay, Twin-tastic Tim and Twin-tabulous Topsy.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we pretended to be duvet monsters. But can you remember who we chased? Was it Mummy? Or was it Dad? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is Dad. Watch this.
And I've got your books, twins.
Thank you.
Ah! A duvet monster, no! No, 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 get back! Get back, get back, get back! There's two of them! Being eaten! No, they're eating me up! They're eating me up!
Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.